Hi everybody and welcome back. So in the last lecture we looked at slicing a list. So in this lecture we're going to look at looping through that slice so we can make things even easier and more automated for you. So we kick off as always just with some comments, and as you can see the name of this program is looping through a slice. And we'll continue now with another comment. That would be looping through a slice with a for loop. There we go. So let's start off with our list of names which we need. So names equals square brackets Tony, comma, open and closing single quotes, Frank, comma, Mary, and Carl. There we go. List of names. Okay, so we want to print these out, or we want to print out a slice of them. So print, open and closing double quotes. Here are the names of the last 3 registrations. Okay, so let's imagine we have a web app and we have our own dashboard, our own management system behind that, and we want to have a look at, or we want to print to our screen every time we log in, the last few registrations to our app. This is how that would work. And we have our for loop, for name in names. Okay. Now we're using our slice 3, the last 3 registrations, colon, print, open and closing brackets, name dot title, open and closing brackets. Let's have a look. Boom! Very, very nice. Here are the names of our last 3 registrations. Tony, Frank, Mary, and all capitalized as well. So a nice little piece of code there that you can use in your programs to loop through names or the last few items in a list or whatever it might be. Doesn't even matter how big the list is. Okay, so I hope you found that enjoyable, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.